Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am a digital marketing software. Today I will share a guide for you how to deploy mass messaging on Facebook. Then first, this is the MTK software of the company with me. This will be the software that will help you manage it. A bunch of those Facebook accounts. You can be unlimited extra Facebook account into the software to support management and advertising. Implement the automated functions of the software. First of all, you guys, give me the messaging function. Choose messaging. Then you choose for yourself account. First, you will choose to create an account. So these are my Facebook accounts. And the second thing is that you're going to set up your own settings. Those are the configurations. Well, you're going to deploy messaging. This will be the part. Time. Next, choose this content. Choose your content. I will choose duplicate content. Allow duplicate content. The next, it will have three functions. One is to send a message by ID. Second, send a message to friends. Far as sending a message to the page. I will run the send function here. Message for profile ID. That's a guide for you. That's why I chose brown. Next, you enter what you are. The ID of the account. Here, I've scanned out a series of customer profile IDs. Then put it in here and I'll send it. Each account sends about 3 IDs. Select Remove ID to avoid duplication. Mill it, and finally, you just have to choose your Facebook account and you press the Start button. Guest with me, follow. The software will help you send messages. Or what?